Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So on today's episode, we are actually going to take a look at two brand new tablets, and there are the Xiaomi Pad 5 and also the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So what's so special about these devices is that they are actually priced under 2,000 ringgit. And besides that, GoPro has also officially launched their brand new action camera called the GoPro Hero 10 Black. So all of this and more on today's episode, so stay tuned. Unifi has announced their new content lineup as they will discontinue a total of 17 channels from the Walt Disney Company starting from the 1st of October 2021. As a replacement, Unifi TV customers will soon be able to enjoy 12 brand new TV channels as well as access to 7 streaming platforms next month. According to Unifi, 10 new channels such as Celestial Movies, CCM, K+, Gem, AXN, Animax, Hits, Hits Movie, Techstorm and Arirang TV will be available from the 1st of October 2021. 2 sports channels which includes SPO TV and also SPO TV2 will be added on the 14th of October 2021. Both SPO TV channels will offer extensive coverage of Tennis Grand Slam Wimbledon, US Open MotoGP and the Open Championship. The current Unifi Sports is also offering live UFC events as well as exclusive Liga Super and TM Piala Malaysia matches. Meanwhile, the 7 new streaming platforms are Amazon Prime, Lionsgate Play, TVBAnywhere Plus, iQIYI, View, ZEE5 and Simply South. The new streaming apps are available on the Android TV powered Unifi Plus box, and users are also able to enjoy it on the go on their mobile devices. Next up, we are going to talk about the Xiaomi Pad 5, and this is actually launched alongside the Xiaomi 11T series. The Pad 5 comes with an 11-inch display that pushes a Quad HD Plus resolution and supports DCI-P3 and Dolby Vision. It has a brightness of 500 nits and pushes a high refresh rate of 120Hz. Under the hood, it runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor with 4GB of RAM and also up to 256GB of storage. For now, it seems like Xiaomi is only offering the Wi-Fi version only to the global markets. The Mi Pad 5 have a starting price of €349, which is around 1,713 ringgit, and it goes all the way up to €399, which is around 1,958 ringgit. In China, they actually do offer a cellular version. There's also actually a higher spec Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro, which comes with a Snapdragon 870 processor and also comes with 5G connectivity. Unfortunately, we do not have the pricing and availability details of this device here in Malaysia. But if it does come to Malaysia, we will keep you updated, so stay tuned to soychichao.com for more updates. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is now officially available here in Malaysia. This is Samsung Malaysia's new tablet that aims to offer fan-favorite features including the S Pen from under 2,000 ringgit. And as an early bird promotion, you can get additional freebies worth up to 811 ringgit. Samsung is offering 2 spec options only, and there are Wi-Fi only variants. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is priced at 1,899 ringgit. And if you need more storage, you can opt for the 6GB RAM and 256GB version, and it will cost you 2,199 ringgit. If you purchase the Tab S7 FE from now until the 31st of October, you can get a book cover worth 339 ringgit, 4 months of YouTube Premium worth 72 ringgit, and 6 months Clip Studio Paint worth 221 ringgit. If you go for the high-spec model, you'll receive an additional Smart Keyboard Trio 500 Bluetooth keyboard worth 179 ringgit. If you're interested, you can actually buy the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE from their official online store on Shopee and also Lazada. In terms of its specs, the Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition features a 12.4-inch Quad HD Plus LCD display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Powering the Tab 7 SE is a 10,090 mAh battery that is rated to last up to 13 hours of video playback. According to the product page, it can support 45W fast charging via USB-C, which can fully charge the tablet in about 90 minutes. However, Samsung is only including a 15W power adapter in the box. If you're into action cameras, I have some pretty interesting news for you guys. GoPro has recently announced their brand new action camera called the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and it comes with some pretty interesting upgrades. The big highlight in the GoPro Hero 10 Black is the new GP2 processor, the successor to the GP1 chip that has been in their cameras since the Hero 6 Black. With the GP2 chip underneath, it is capable of shooting either 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second or 2.7K at 240 frames per second. For a comparison, the Hero 9 is only able to do 240 frames per second footage at 1080p resolution. The GP2 enables the GoPro Hero 10 Black to do some incredibly smooth video stabilization too. You will also be able to take 23MP still photos with the camera, or alternatively grab a 19.6MP frame from a video. Other familiar features like hindsight, schedule capture, live burst, time warp 3.0 and duration capture are all also back on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Besides that, you can also use the GoPro Hero 10 Black to stream directly onto YouTube, Twitch and other platforms. Of course, you can also use it as a webcam via a USB-C cable too. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is officially priced at 2,399 ringgit and it will be available in Malaysia in late September. Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!